Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is here to revolutionize your cooking, making delicious meals faster and easier than ever. This incredible appliance combines 9 functions in one. It's a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, food warmer, sterilizer, and even a cake maker. Imagine whipping up perfectly cooked quinoa, succulent pot roasts, or even homemade yogurt with the press of a button, thanks to its 15 smart, customizable programs. Beyond versatility, its durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy, even cooking and super easy cleanup after every meal. What makes the Duo Plus truly special is how it simplifies complex recipes and opens up a world of culinary possibilities without needing a counter full of gadgets. It's an absolute game changer for busy families and aspiring home chefs, saving precious time while delivering gourmet results. No more guessing. This smart appliance handles everything from breakfast to dinner with consistent, delicious outcomes. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? You can find the best deals and purchase your own Instant Pot Duo Plus by clicking the Amazon link in the description below. This isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's an investment in healthier eating and more free time, truly making it a top contender for the best kitchen essential of 2025. Seriously, if you want to streamline your cooking and enjoy incredible food daily, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute must-buy.